Hi. How to restrict or grant access to designated users within Power BI? We perform this by using roles, which is a technique that introduces role-level security in the data model. In the following video, you will find out how to create, change, and implement roles.
We'll start with a data model which contains two connected tables, transactions and items. Transactions is a fact table and items is a dimension table. We use them to create a simple report. Transactions keep track of sales within 4 retail stores, which are named R1 to R4 respectively. How to set a limit for employees to see only transactions that happened within their retail store. Let's introduce roles. Go to Modeling ribbon and click on Manage Roles. Click on Create. We will name this role R1 because it will give us owner rights to watch our sales data exclusively within first retail object. Let's set a filter. This action will actually create DEX expression which filters the transactions table according to given criteria. Click on Save. Now let's test the role. Choose Use As and then choose the role named R1. Let's save the report and publish it to Power BI service. After we log into Power BI service, we'll choose a workspace in which we publish the report, choose More Many, and then Security. On the left side, you will see the roles you've created. For each role, you can assign members with designated restrictions. This only applies to viewers, not on admins. We'll add user slavko@xlk.com and assign him role R1. Now we can test the role. By creating and assigning roles, you can manage users' rights and make your reports more secure. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.